Welcome to our One Paella channel. I'm Jay, and today we're cooking the Iberian Secret and Mushrooms Paella. The ingredients for the Iberian Secret and Mushroom Paella are paella rice, garlic, Iberian Secret, wild mushrooms, and broad beans. We're also going to add the rest of the paella ingredients such as paprika, paella mix, and saffron. Also, we're going to add our ham stock. So, let's start making this Iberian Secret and wild mushrooms paella. First, let's add our secret. Don't know what an Iberian Secret is? Click here to find out. Put down first. iWantPaella.eu, where not only we have a paella blog, but we also sell paella pans, paella burners, spices, beer, wine, and much more. So, don't miss out and come visit us at iWantPaella.eu. Let's add the garlic. Let's add our mushrooms. If you like this video and videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. Let's add our chopped tomatoes. Let's add half an envelope of paella mix. One envelope of ground saffron. One envelope of ground saffron. And half a teaspoon of paprika. Let's add 300 grams of paella rice, because we're making 3 portions. Slowly, like that. Let's add 900 milliliters of ham stock. Slowly. At the same time, don't forget to increase your paella burner power up to 100%. What lovely colors. As usual, we're gonna leave a bit at the end in case we need to add some more. Alright, just a bit, you know what? Let's give it a bit of shake to distribute, there you go, all those ingredients. Let's add a bit of salt, something like that. That's starting to boil. Let's leave it for a bit longer. Let's add the broad beans. Bit of a shake. And let's bring back our Iberian Secret in little pieces that we cut off. Let's add the remainder of the paella stock, ham stock, that we used before, to help finish cooking that rice. Let's try the rice for the first time with a clean spoon. Here, for instance. That rice is around 50%, so it's gonna take a bit longer to cook. I'm gonna take this opportunity to add a bit more salt. those pieces of secret so they cook on the other side as well. Let's try the rice for the second time with a clean spoon in a different place. That rice is around 70%, so it needs a few more minutes to finish. Let's reduce our paella burner power down to 30%. It's been 2-3 minutes, so let's try the rice for the third time with a clean spoon in a different place. Okay, that rice is around 80%, so we're gonna leave it cooking for another 2-3 minutes. Let's give it a bit of a shake. Okay guys, 2-3 minutes have passed. Our paella is done. We're gonna turn off the paella burner now as we speak. 1 and 2. Okay, so we're gonna give it the last shake and then we're gonna bring it to our kitchen counter. Okay guys, here we have our Iberian secret and wild mushrooms paella. I'm gonna serve it on our plate now so that you can see what it would look like if you were about to eat it. Okay guys, let's serve this Iberian secret and wild mushrooms paella. Okay, some broad beans, some wild mushrooms, and of course some delicious pieces of Iberian secret. There you have it, a proper portion of secret and wild mushrooms paella. This is Jay signing off. Thank you very much. See you very soon.